Just about fitness.
Oh, det var... Lite. She's giving it to her babies. She's like, "Is your dinner now? I've had enough of the sucking on me tits."
Automatic cat feeder.
Oh, what are you doing, mummy?
What? Say it again. What? Hold on. But what did you...
Can you meet it though?
¿Cómo se te ocurre, Dui? Dui. No, Dios.
Well, now that you mention it, there was one.
Go play. Anywhere but under the stove.
Oh my god. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No. Oh my god. No.
Oi.
It's not going. Oh, that got her.
Come on. Come, puppy. Come.
Guys, it's so disconcerting sometimes. Like, he doesn't seem real. Like, Sylvie, what? Is that comfy? So... Are you...
A lo que yo vine fue a esto.
Why are you so mean?
Do it again. Hey.
Oscar, get phone. Is integral here. Get phone. And the disaster.
How did you get up there? What happened?
Sparkling conversations about issues of the day.
No, feels like with you.
Then my head hit the wall. Boom.
Anybody else have a cat that plays tug of war? That just plays it viciously.
What in the fuck is in my back seat?
It's okay if I work? No? No more work? Okay, I guess I'm done. You're right.
Got her a new harness, but she's too fat.
The whole time until I found out.
Oh, you want to mess this shit up? You gonna clean it up. Every last bit of it. You gonna clean it up, Skimpy.
What was that? Was that a bird?
Bruh.
What's on your mind? If you want it, go, come and get it. All this is...
Lève-toi.
Rock and roll. Ow! What you doing?
Oh, that's a good kitty, I say as I pet on Kitty.
No, I'm evil, Kitty.
Said evil Kitty.
Was ist das? Schuld macht er. Voll auszugeschehen.
The ball being back in the net as possible.
There's only one goal that separates us from damage.
Hi, sweet baby. You don't have a home, do you? Uh-oh. Somebody's mad. Anywhere else. I don't want my face touched. I have acne.
يا مرحبا حياك.
Mac Mac. Where are you, Mac Mac?
Trick or treat. Oh my! What are you supposed to be, young man?
I'm a cowboy. Are you serious?
We have a cat, and we named it Puff. We named it Puff because of its little tuff.
Goyang kaki. Lepas tu ada anak lempar dekat aku. Macam aku ni kuli batak, tahu tak? Jalan anak perangai macam beruk.
Hãy subscribe cho kênh Ghiền Mì Gõ để không bỏ lỡ những video hấp dẫn.
วันอาทิตย์ถ้าวันจันทร์วันอังคารแปลกๆ
We're trying. Yeah. Oh, no.
ركض بالبيت ما زل على الصوفة زل ويا كلب تعال هون
I broke my arm and my cat will not stop purring and laying on my cast.
Oh, Pringle! Pringle!
Every day I wake up and I ask myself, how am I going to be the biggest pain in the ass that I can be?
Kevin. Oh, Lord have mercy. Today drained me.
What do I do for a living? I'm a professional attention seeker. He always pretends that he doesn't like it. Oh.
Nala. Nala. Chicken?
That big back. Big back, baby.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
Atena, ¿ya vas a tener tus hijos?